is fixed income manager for newly set up investment management firm. He, along with Dominic, is designing the research recommendation dissemination policy for firm. Morris suggests to divide client account into three categories on basis of AUM as follows: platinum, AUM above 1 million; gold, between AUM means asset under management, so AUM between 0.1 million to 1 million; and silver, AUM below 0.1 million. Any recommendation will be disseminated in above sequence. Okay, so that is first to platinum, followed by gold, and then silver. Is it correct or incorrect, friends? I think you should be able to by now understand whether it is a correct policy or an incorrect policy. What do you think it should be? If you have thoroughly watched content video fair dealing, what does fair dealing say? Can we divide the client in platinum, gold, and silver? Obviously, yes. We can divide the clients in platinum, gold, and silver, or whatever layering we want to. But however, can we discriminate clients in terms of dissemination? Answer is no. We need to treat all clients fairly. So in that situation, our is Morris' suggestion of disseminating first to platinum clients, then when platinum is done, then gold, and then silver. Is it a correct way of dealing with all the clients? Answer is no. He is dealing with all the clients incorrectly. Information dissemination, investment recommendation should be disseminated to all clients in a fair and equitable manner, irrespective of the AUM of client. So in that situation, Morris is incorrect. Okay, hang on. Before moving ahead to and reading what Dominic is doing, I would again request you to please see the options now. Is there only single option where it says that Morris is in violation and other two says Morris is not in violation? If that is the case, then we don't need to read Dominic's situation. We have already got the answer. So according to standard 3B option, I'm reading the options. Morris is in violation, Dominic is not. Both Morris and Dominic are in violation. Neither Morris nor. So C is incorrect. I can say upfront that C is not the answer. Answer is between A and B, either A or B, because Morris is in violation. That I can say by reading Morris' situation. Now let's move ahead and see Dominic's situation. Dominic suggests that once the recommendation is disseminated, we will call only customers with platinum accounts to discuss in detail with them about the recommendation. Is Dominic in violation? Answer is no, he is not in violation. Why? What is the reason? The reason is very simple. If you recall standard 3B, then you would recall that dividing clients among differentiating or creating different level of service for different category of client is something which is allowed. So if a platinum client is being called and gold and silver is not being called, that is not wrong. It's like giving personal level of service or personalized service to those clients, or higher premium level of service to those clients who have opted for it and paid for it. So in that situation, Dominic is not in violation. See, standard 3B says at the time of giving out information, I'm again repeating, at the time of giving out information, you should not discriminate among clients. You need to be fair to all the clients. However, once the information has been disseminated, after that, if somebody has paid you higher, you are very much allowed to create different level of service. However, that different level of service should be informed to clients and should not disadvantage any client, means there should not be financial disadvantage, and any client who wants to opt for higher level of service should be allowed to opt. So if a silver guy who is in silver level, he wants to say that, hey buddy, I want to go for platinum level and I'm ready to pay for that, in that situation you should very much allow that guy to opt for a higher level, and this discrimination and the difference in level of service should be informed to client. So what Dominic is suggesting is a premium level service, which is very much allowed. However, what Morris is suggesting is a differentiation at the time of dissemination itself, which is something which will treat silver and gold clients unfairly, which is not allowed. So Morris is in violation, but Dominic is not in violation. Answer should be A. Okay, so you have the rationale. I hope you have got the difference. See, this difference is very much important. Why Morris is in violation and why Dominic is not in violation. At the time of dissemination, you can't create differentiation. However, you are very much allowed to create premium level of service to those clients who pay for it. Okay. So I hope you have